Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams. Today our topic of discussion, Simplification for IBPS RRB Clerk Preliminary Examination. Before we start our discussion, we request you to subscribe our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams and click on bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Let us begin today's session. The note is given here. Just look at the note. Questions marked with the star mark are the models that appeared in the recent bank exams, various bank exams in the recent years. Now look at the first example, question number 1. Just read the directions given here. What is the value will come in place of question mark in the given questions? 40 into 75 minus 9 times of question mark is equal to 3 into 5 into question mark. On the right hand side, 3 into 5 means 15. Question mark means I am taking here k. What about this one? 9 into k. Minus 9k when you take other side becomes positive. So 24k is equal to. So 4 times of 75. 4 times of 75, that is 300. 0 is there. So 3000. Now 3, it goes exactly 8 times in 24. The value of k is equal to 1000 by 8. 1000 by 8 is equal to 125. The right choice for this question, option 4. Now look at the second example. 14 square minus 13 square means a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, 14 plus 13, that is 27, into a minus b, that is a 1 whole square, is equal to question mark. So what is the value of 27 square? 27 square is equal to 729. The right choice, option 2. Second choice is the correct answer. Here is the question number 3 on your screen. Just add all the values. Some of these numbers is the answer. Just look at minus 59 minus 19. So just what is the sum of these two? Sum of these two is equal to 78. 78 and 84. 84 minus 78. So what is the result? 6. 6 plus 24, that is 30. All these options ends with 30. So it is not possible to mark the answer. We have to find the remaining part. Just look at the next one. What is the next part means? 40 minus 6. 40 minus 6 is equal to 34. The right choice is 3, 4, 3, 0. The right choice, option number 1. First option is the right answer. Next example. 1260 into 350 equal to question mark is equal to question mark square into 40. So just take 40 other side. Now simplify this. 0 and 0 get cancelled. What about 4? 4, it goes 315 times. Dear students, 315 means 35 into 9. So question mark square is equal to 35 into 9 into 35. So what is the value of question mark? Square root of these values. So square root of these values means 35 into 3. The value is 105. Option number 5, fifth choice, is the right answer. Look at the next example, question number 5 on your screen. 45% of 4500. 45% means percentage and zeros we can cancel. 45 into 45, that is 45 square. The value is 2025. Minus 25%. 25% means 1/4 value. 1/4 means it is a 600. Is equal to 60%. 60% of the question mark. Just to simplify this. What is the cancellation? 25 minus 0, 0, that is 25. 20 minus 6, it's a 14. equal to 3 by 5 of question mark. What about 3? 3 here we can cancel. 3 4 times, that is 12. 22 means 7 times. 15 means 5 times. Now the product of these numbers, just observe. 5 times of 5, 25. 37 plus 2, 35 plus 2, 37. Now the remaining is 20 plus 3, 23. The result is the product of 5 and 475, that is 2375. Option number 2. Second choice is the right answer. Okay, look at the next example. 13 square, it is 169, minus 9 square, 81, plus square root of question mark is equal to 3 into 8 into 5. 5 into 8, 40. 40 into 3, that is 120. Simplify this. Now what is the cancellation? 169 minus 81. 81 is how much less than 100? 19. Here it is how much more than 100? 69. So 69 and 19. 69 and 19 means it is a 88. Okay. So 88 when you take other side, so the value of the question mark, under root question mark is equal to 120 minus 88. What is the result? Just simplify this. It is 88 is 12 less than 100. 120 is 20 more. 12 plus 20, that is 32. So under root question mark is equal to 32, squaring on both sides. So question mark is equal to 32 square. The value is 1024. Right choice, option 1. First choice is the correct option. Look at the next example. 50% of question mark. 50% means half. Half of the question mark. Minus 25% of 524. 25% means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 524. Just to simplify this, how many times here? It is 1 time and 3 times and 1 time. 13 times of 4 is equal to 52 and 1 time 131. So minus 131 is equal to 20% of 150. 20% means 1/5 value. 1/5 of 150, that is here 1/5 of the 150, that is 30. Now simplify. Half of the question mark. Half of the question mark is equal to, take this 131 other side becomes positive 131. The final value here 30 plus 131, 161. The value of question mark is equal to 322. 322. The choice 4. Choice 4 is the right answer. Okay. Next example, question number 8. 6 square into 4 cube by 2 cube by 144 square is equal to 6 power question mark into 3. As my dear student, just observe this one. 6 square means how much? That is 36. 4 cube means 64 by 8 into 144 into 144 equal to 6 power question mark into 3. So I am taking 3 left hand side. Now solving this one. 8, it goes how many times? 8 times. Then what about the 36? 36, it goes exactly 4 times. What about 8? 8 here, 18 times. Now just to simplify this, 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 18, that is 216. 216, 1 by 216. 1 by 216. 216 is equal to 6 cube. 6 cube is equal to 216 means here I am expressing it as 6 power minus 3, means I am taking 216 on the numerator side. So it will become negative sign in the power. So 6 power minus 3. 6 power minus 3. 6 power minus 3 is equal to 6 power question mark. So when the bases are same, we can equate the powers. The value of the question mark is equal to minus 3. Choice 4. Look at the next example. 17 minus 32 by 8 plus 4.8 into 2.5 equal to question mark. 8, it goes exactly 4 times. What is the sum of these two numbers? 17 minus 4, that is a 13. What about the cancellation here? 48 into 25 by 100. What I am doing? I am removing decimal and adding zeros on the other end. Now simplify this. 25, it goes exactly 4 times. 4 here 12 times. So what is the value? Plus 12 is equal to question mark. 13 plus 12. 13 plus 12 is equal to how much? It is a 25. The right choice, option number 5. Fifth choice is the right answer. Next, 0.025. 0.025 into question mark plus 4.8. When you take this 4.8 other side, it will become minus 4.8. Then what is the result? 0.03. 0.03. Now what is the value of question mark? Question mark is equal to 0.03 by 0.025. You observe the decimals on either side. In the denominator, we have one place extra when compared with the numerator. So what is the result here? The result is 30 by 25. Now simplify. What is the cancellation? 6 times of 5 and 5 times. 6 by 5. The result is 1.2. 6 by 5. The result is 1.2. Option 3. The right answer for this question is choice 3. 280 divided by question mark into 375 equal to 300. Okay, simplify this. What is the simplification? In 100, how many 25s? There are 4 25s. 300 means 3 into 4, 12. What about here? 12 plus 3, 15. Now 3, it goes 4 times. 3, 5 times. What about 4? 4, it goes 7 times. The value of question mark is equal to 350. Right choice, option number 2. Second choice is the right answer. Okay. Next one. If you observe the decimals, in the numerator we have decimal after 2 positions, whereas in the denominator 3. Means in denominator we have one more when compared with the numerator. So remove the decimals, just add 0. So what is the result? 64 into 32 by 16. So here 3 places, whereas in the numerator only 2 places. So I am adding 0 on the other end. Now simplify this. It goes how many times? 16 exactly 2 times. 2 times of 64, 128. 128 into 10. 128 into 10, that is 1280. The right answer for this question, option number 3. Third choice is the answer. Next, look at the next example. 32.5% of 240. So 32.5% means just I am writing 325 by 100 into 24. What I am doing? I am removing decimal and 0. Just cancel 0 and remove decimal. Is equal to question mark by 100 of 375. Yes, my dear students, directly we can simplify this. Of course, cancelling the percentage is better in the question itself. Simplify the percentage in the question itself, that is better, or this is a simplification. Now just observe what is the cancellation here. In 125 it goes how many times? 4 times. 300 means 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Whereas here 12 plus 3, 15. Then what is the next cancellation? 3, 5 times. 3, 8 times. Now the product of 8 and 13, that is 104. 104 by 5. Now what is the value of the question mark? Means on both sides, when you multiply, both sides multiply with the 2, in the denominator it will become 10. So whereas numerator 20.8. 208 by 10, that is 20.8, the value of a question mark. So what is the choice here? Option number 3. Third choice is the answer. Next, 40% of 1350. Percentage and 0 we can cancel. 4 times of 35, 140. 100 into 4, that is 400. 400 plus 140, that is 540. 100 into 4, 400. 35 into 4, 140. 140 plus 400, 540. Minus 284 equal to question mark square. Just observe the value of the question mark. Now, how much it is less than 300? 16. How much is more than 300? 240. 240 plus 16, that is a 256. 256 is a perfect square, 16 square. So the value of the question mark is equal to plus or minus 16. Here only positive 16 is given. Right choice is option number 3. Third choice is the right answer. Next, 20 square, that is 400. 21 square, 441 equal to question mark square. By adding these two, we get 841. 841 is equal to question mark square. So what is the value of the question mark? 841 is a perfect square. What is the square root of 841? Means here it is a 29 square. Plus or minus 29 square is equal to 841, but here only plus 29 is given. So right choice, option number 3. Third choice is the right answer. Okay. Now look at the next example. Question mark square into 25 equal to 525 into 525. 525 into 525. Yes, my dear students, 25 in 100 it goes 4 times. 500 means 500 into 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Now, what is the value of the question mark? Means here just look at the board. 21 as it is 21, and I am writing this, expressing this 525 as a 21 into 25. Find out the square root of these numbers. Under root of 21 into 21, that is 21. Under root 25, that is a 5. How much is the product? 105. So 105, the right answer for this question, option 2. Second choice. Okay. Look at the next example. 6666 divided by 66 divided by 6. Okay, now simplify. What is the cancellation? 66, 1 time, 0 and 1 time. Okay, now on solving this, how many times here means 101 by 6 means 16 times of 6 is equal to 96. 16 times of 6, 96. 96 plus 5, that is a 101. The right choice for this example, option number 4. Choice 4 is the correct answer. 3 by 8 and 4 by 9, 5 by 6 into question mark is equal to 720. Yes, my dear students, simplify this. 3, it goes exactly 3 times in 9. 4, it goes exactly 2 times. Now, what is the next here? Here, it goes 144 times. 144 times. Now, just observe the product of these numbers. What is the product of these numbers? So, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 6, that is a 36. 144 into 36. 144 into 36. The right choice is option number 3, 5184. The product of these numbers is 5184. Choice number 3. Now look at the next example. 196 divided by 28 into 98 minus 637 equal to question mark square. Solving this. Now, is it possible to simplify 28 and 196? Let me check here. Let me check. 28, how many times it goes? 7 times. Is it possible? 28 into 7, 140 plus 56, 196. So it goes exactly 7 times. Then what is the next here? 7 into 98. 7 into 90, 630. 7 8s, 7 into 8, 56. The value is equal to 686 minus 637 is equal to question mark square. Now, how much is the difference? 600, 600 get cancelled. 86 minus 37. What is the result? 49. Question mark square is equal to 49. What is the value of the question mark? It is a plus or minus 7 square. So, 7 positive 7 is given. Right choice option number 3. Third choice is the right answer. My dear students, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams to get more number of videos on bank exams and SSCCGLE, insurance, railways and other related examinations. And social media channels, links are given here. Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. Okay, links are given in the description box. Please subscribe to get more number of videos for your preparation. Okay. Now, for classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/bankssconline. Take the next step towards your dream with the time. For more queries, you can contact us. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.